Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve followers not found in on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve followers not showing you can't see your followers on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Instagram and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.